Today we're going to present the movie Monsters Inc. My team is conformed by Eric Tapia, Yamil Velez, Raúl Quintero, and Emiliano Dominguez. I will present you the characters. The four main characters are James P. Sullivan, Mike Wazowski, Boo, and Randall. Mike Wazowski is a green monster. He's quite tall and he has two horns. He's a very special friend for Sullivan. James P. Sullivan is a very big monster with blue fur and purple dots. He has two horns and he likes to scare people. He has a very competitive attitude since he wants to be the number one scarer. Boo is a human child that entered to the monster world, and she's like 4 years old. She dresses in pink and she is little. Randall is a purple monster. He looks like a lizard and he's very bad, and he's like the evil character of the story. Eso era todo.